What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. Haven't had many videos lately. I have not had to work on the truck. I mean, seriously, dude. This video is about this guy here. I've done this already. But I'm just doing another real quick video on how nice it is. This truck just doesn't run much, so you don't get a good charge. As you can see, it's kicking on 13.2 now. It just really, I just open up the hood in the morning and it keeps them batteries tended very well for free. So, and then all I do is I just slide it like this. And I made this little panel. I just slide it like that and close the hood in the nighttime or whatnot. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, honestly, I could always work on the truck. Okay, obviously you can always work on something, but it's like you don't fix it if it isn't broken. That's a fact. And nothing's broken on it. It runs great. The last thing I did was put those wheels and tires on. Makes it look nice, you know, I mean. But my truck's a ghetto truck, you know what I'm saying, guys? I mean, it's not ghetto. It's the truck of my dreams, but I don't really care. The only thing I was thinking about doing is a flatbed, you know, because I could build it myself and it would raise the value greatly. And this bed is just dented and crooked. I think this was a one-owner truck, but it was a guy that was like the owner of a concrete company. So this bed was just beat to crap. The whole truck is beat up, but yeah, the battery tender, I'll just leave it at that. It works very well. If you're not driving your truck, you could set that up inside the cab too. I'm sure you could just set that up in your front window or something and let it do its thing. Yeah, I'll just make this video short and sweet. You know, I haven't made many videos lately just because the truck doesn't need worked on, but that battery tender is awesome. That panel, let me get it back open up since it's not nighttime. I was just showing you where I put it. Alrighty, so this was like a kit. All right, so let me do this. I bought it like it had like this. This is the controller. And then it had an inverter and a panel. So it shows you the panel there. It shows you the battery there, and then you can. That light thing right there, that light switch is for a light, that last button there, and I don't hook up a light. You can hook up a light to it. And I just hooked it up to this panel, or piece of wood with this panel on it. So it's like a $60 combo or something. Hook it up to anything. Like, it's funny when my ATV or something goes dead, I'll hook it up instead of running the battery to it. We got Porky in the house. Porky. I love Porker. So it keeps the batteries tended very well. It starts insanely fast when the batteries are nice and tended. And I just don't drive it that much. I drive it, well, ever since Biden's been president. I've barely driven it because of the price of fuel, but that's another video. But yeah, I'll just leave it at that. The battery tender, it's a good float charger. It works very well. It's fairly cheap, and I enjoy it. I plug it into anything that needs charging. All right, guys, Dirty Diesel out.